Zoom versus Skype. So, as remote work becomes more frequent, the need for a reliable video conferencing app also becomes way more important. And you might be wondering if you should go for Zoom or Skype. But don't worry, since after watching this video, you'll discover more about the difference between the two and find out which best suits your needs. Right away, let's get started. Features and premium plans. Well, although Skype and Zoom have several features in common, there's still quite some difference between them. Both support 1080p video quality, screen sharing, meeting recording, whiteboard, file sharing, joining via call, has compatibility with various operating systems, and doesn't need accounts to join a conference. The only difference would be in their free and premium plans. Skype's free plan does allow meetings up to 100 participants with up to 60 minutes duration, while Zoom had the same participants but only had 40 minutes duration. It's just that Zoom has some features that Skype doesn't have, such as breakout sessions, transcript recording, and a lot more on its premium plans. And Zoom Pro plan would cost you $14.99 monthly per license, and comes with 1 gigabyte of cloud recording and social media live streaming. Also, it comes with an option of purchasing a large meetings add-on, which lets you increase participants limit up to 1,000, while Skype only supports the free plan. In case Microsoft had a business video conferencing solution, the Microsoft Teams and its premium plans range from $5 to $12.50 monthly per license. With that, Skype's features are limited to smaller teams or personal use only. In contrast, Zoom supports bigger scale meetings and overall business video conferencing needs. User friendliness. Actually, both the apps offer simple and straightforward UI that makes it way easier to set up and join meetings. And to do that, the host would create a unique link, then share it with participants, and they could easily join the meeting. Also, neither Zoom nor Skype requires the participant to download the app just to participate in a meeting. They could still join by using the web app version. So both are good in terms of user friendliness. Security. Then, with data protection and privacy, all Zoom plans come with TLS encryption and AES 256 encryption for real-time content. Also, enabling Zoom's end-to-end encryption protects the communication between all meeting participants in real time. Meanwhile, Skype also comes with an advanced end-to-end encryption system. And being a Microsoft app meant that it got a solid reputation for overall system security. Definitely both the two apps had performed well, but Zoom security had been a recent topic for some instances of an uninvited person showing up at a Zoom meeting. Ultimately though, Zoom and Skype are the closest competitors of their kind, and both great options. Still, Zoom would be the more complete solution for business users and professional work-related needs. You've discovered an amazing topic about Zoom versus Skype. And now click this, and let's see the next amazing topic.